So the Eurasian Economic Union has several interesting bodies. First of all, it's the so-called Supreme Eurasian Economic Council, which combines the heads of states of all the member states. So again, Vladimir Putin or Nursultan Nazarbayev and all the other presidents, they meet about 2 times a year to give a general strategic overview and oversight and direction to the integration policies of the Eurasian Economic Union. Secondly, then we have the Eurasian Intergovernmental Council, which is basically the main body for cooperating and coordinating the policy implementation of the governments. And the main body actually is the Eurasian Economic Commission, which is divided into the Council of the Eurasian Economic Commission and the colleague, I guess it's called, the board of the Eurasian Economic Union. And this is something new for the post-Soviet space, because the Eurasian Economic Union is the first regional economic bloc in the post-Soviet space which has a supranational institution, supranational legislation as compared to intergovernmental. So decisions, acts enacted by the Eurasian Economic Commission are legal and binding in all of the member states directly. So apart from the Eurasian Economic Commission, which is the main coordinating and legislative and governing body of the Eurasian Economic Union, we also have 2 other bodies. The Eurasian Development Bank, which has 3 main tasks, I would say. The first task is obviously to finance and to credit integration projects, and especially infrastructure projects in the Eurasian space. And apart from all the 5 member states of the Eurasian Union, Tajikistan is also a member of this bank. Then we have the Eurasian Fund for Stabilization and Development, which is part of the Eurasian Development Bank. Its aim is to credit and finance, if need so, in a situation of crisis, the governments of the member states. And then the third task of the Eurasian Development Bank, it publishes a lot of very interesting and very good research papers on integration, on Eurasian integration. For example, this book on the Eurasian Union, which I'm using for my video. And then we have the Court of the Eurasian Economic Union, which has the task to look into cases of trade policy, of applying Eurasian law, or this Eurasian acquis communautaire, which is now being developed. What is interesting, the Eurasian Development Bank is situated in Almaty, which is a city in the south of Kazakhstan, its former capital. And also the Center for Integration Studies, which is part of the Eurasian Development Bank, is situated in St. Petersburg. The Eurasian Economic Commission is situated in Moscow, and the Eurasian Court is situated in Minsk. And as we go on in this integration process, we are also looking into having a mega financial regulator. It's not going to be the Eurasian Central Bank, but it's going to have a lot of rights in controlling financial markets, stock markets, and the banking sector of the Eurasian Union. And this financial mega regulator will be created by 2025, and it will be situated in Astana, we think.